In today's video, we're going to explore 50 essential business English phrases that will help you communicate more confidently and effectively in your professional life. Let's get started. Scheduling appointments. Phrase 1, could we set up a meeting? Meaning, this phrase is used to politely suggest arranging a meeting. Examples. 1, could we set up a meeting to discuss the new project? 2, could we set up a meeting next week? Phrase 2, what's your availability like? Meaning, this question is used to ask someone when they are free. Examples. 1, what's your availability like next Monday? 2, what's your availability like this afternoon? Phrase 3, let's circle back later. Meaning, this phrase suggests returning to a discussion at a later time. Examples. 1, let's circle back later when we have more details. 2, we're busy now, let's circle back later. Phrase 4, can we move it to? Meaning, this phrase is used to request rescheduling an appointment. Examples. 1, can we move it to Thursday? 2, I'm busy tomorrow, can we move it to next week? Phrase 5, I'm fully booked. Meaning, this phrase indicates that someone is completely unavailable due to other commitments. Examples. 1, I'm fully booked today, but tomorrow looks better. 2, sorry, I'm fully booked until next Monday. Meetings and discussions. Phrase 6, let's get the ball rolling. This phrase means to start a discussion or activity. Examples. Everyone's here, so let's get the ball rolling. To get the ball rolling, let's discuss last month's sales. Phrase 7, I'll keep you posted. Meaning, this phrase is used to promise someone that they will receive updates regularly. Examples. 1, I'll keep you posted on the project's status. 2, we don't have answers yet, but I'll keep you posted. 8, on the same page. Meaning, this phrase means that everyone has the same understanding of a situation. Examples. 1, let's confirm we're on the same page before moving on. 2, it's important we're on the same page regarding expectations. Phrase 9, to touch base. Meaning, this phrase is used when briefly checking in or following up with someone. Examples. 1, let's touch base tomorrow after the meeting. 2, I'd like to touch base about your project's progress. Phrase 10, let's table this discussion. This phrase means to postpone a discussion until a later time. Examples. 1, we're out of time, let's table this discussion. 2, let's table this discussion until our next meeting. Phone and email communications. Phrase 11, could you clarify? Meaning, this phrase is used when asking someone to explain something more clearly. Examples. 1, could you clarify your last point, please? 2, I'm not sure I understand. Could you clarify? Phrase 12, thanks for the heads up. Meaning, this phrase is used to thank someone for giving advance notice about something. Examples. 1, thanks for the heads up about the schedule change. 2, thanks for the heads up regarding the delays. Phrase 13, please find attached. This phrase is commonly used in emails to indicate that a document is attached. Examples. 1, please find attached the requested document. 2, please find attached our project proposal. Phrase 14, looking forward to hearing from you. Meaning, this phrase is a polite way to express anticipation for a response. Examples. 1, I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. 2, looking forward to hearing from you regarding my proposal. Phrase 15, keep me in the loop. This phrase is used when requesting to be kept informed about updates or changes. Examples. 1, please keep me in the loop about any changes. 2, keep me in the loop regarding the client's feedback. Decision making. Phrase 16, the bottom line is. Meaning, this phrase refers to the most important or critical point in a discussion. Examples. 1, the bottom line is we must increase revenue. 2. The bottom line is customer satisfaction. Phrase 17. Pros and cons. Meaning, this phrase refers to the advantages and disadvantages of a situation or decision. Examples: 1. Let's weigh the pros and cons of each option. 2. What are the pros and cons of the new system? Phrase 18. Let's weigh our options. Meaning, this phrase means to carefully consider different choices before making a decision. Examples: 1. Before we decide, let's weigh our options. 2. Let's weigh our options before committing resources. Phrase 19. Let's go with. Meaning, this phrase is used when making a final decision after considering options. Examples: 1. After reviewing all choices, let's go with option B. 2. We've considered both proposals. Let's go with the first one. Phrase 20. A tough call. Meaning, this phrase is used to describe a difficult decision that requires careful thought. Examples: 1. Choosing between the two candidates is a tough call. 2. It's a tough call, but we need to cut costs. Negotiations. Phrase 21. Can you meet us halfway? Meaning, this phrase is used when asking someone to compromise and find a middle ground. Examples: 1. Your offer is high. Can you meet us halfway? 2. We can't agree to those terms. Can you meet us halfway? Phrase 22. Let's revisit that later. Meaning, this phrase is used to suggest delaying a decision or discussion until a later time in a negotiation. Examples: 1. Pricing might change. Let's revisit that later. 2. We're not agreeing yet. Let's revisit that later. Phrase 23. That's a fair point. Meaning, this phrase acknowledges that the other party has made a reasonable argument or valid statement. Examples: 1. That's a fair point. Let me discuss it with my team. 2. You're right about the additional costs. That's a fair point. Phrase 24. We need some flexibility. Meaning, this phrase is used to request more room for adjustment in a negotiation. Examples: 1. We need some flexibility on the payment schedule. 2. If we can't adjust the price, we need some flexibility on delivery terms. Phrase 25. Let's find a win-win solution. Meaning, this phrase emphasizes finding a solution that benefits both parties. Examples: 1. Instead of arguing, let's find a win-win solution. 2. We want both sides to benefit. Let's find a win-win solution. Projects and deadlines. Phrase 26. We're ahead of schedule. Meaning, this phrase is used when progress is moving faster than expected or planned. Examples: 1. Good news, we're ahead of schedule on the release. If we stay ahead of schedule, we'll finish early. Phrase 27. We're behind schedule. Meaning, this phrase is used when progress is slower than planned, meaning deadlines may be delayed. Examples: 1. Unfortunately, we're behind schedule on the project. 2. Being behind schedule means working overtime. Phrase 28. Crunch time. Meaning, this phrase refers to a critical, high-pressure period right before a deadline when intense effort is required. Examples: 1. It's crunch time. Let's finish this. 2. During crunch time, everyone's putting in extra hours. Phrase 29. Let's set a deadline. Meaning, this phrase is used when deciding on a specific date or time to complete a task or project. Examples: 1. To stay organized, let's set a deadline for the final report. 2. Let's set a deadline so we can track our progress. Phrase 30. We need to prioritize. Meaning, this phrase is used to emphasize focusing on the most important tasks first. Examples: 1. We have too many tasks. Let's prioritize the urgent ones. 2. To meet the deadline, we need to prioritize key deliverables. Feedback and opinions. Phrase 31. What's your take on this? Meaning, this phrase is used when asking for someone's opinion or perspective on a topic. Examples: 1. What's your take on our new marketing strategy? 2. Before deciding, what's your take? Phrase 32, let's get feedback, meaning this phrase is used when seeking input or opinions from others before making a final decision. Examples: 1. Let's get feedback from the team before launching. 2. Before finalizing, let's get feedback. Phrase 33, I see where you're coming from. Meaning, this phrase is used to acknowledge and understand someone's perspective, even if you don't fully agree. Examples: 1. I see where you're coming from, but I think we should consider other options. 2. I see where you're coming from, and I appreciate your input. Phrase 34, let's agree to disagree. Meaning, this phrase is used when two people have different opinions and decide to respect each other's views without further argument. Examples: we have different perspectives, so let's agree to disagree. Instead of debating, let's agree to disagree and move forward. Phrase 35, constructive criticism. Meaning, this phrase refers to helpful, specific feedback that aims to improve something rather than just pointing out faults. Examples: 1. I appreciate constructive criticism. It helps me improve. Let's provide constructive criticism instead of just pointing out mistakes. Reporting and updates. Phrase 36, give me an update. Meaning, this phrase is used when requesting the latest information about a task, project, or situation. Examples: 1. Can you give me an update on sales figures? 2. Give me an update when you know more. Phrase 37, up to speed. This phrase means being fully informed or updated on a situation. Examples: 1. Let's get everyone up to speed. 2. I'll bring you up to speed on the project tomorrow. Phrase 38, here's where we stand. Meaning, this phrase is used to provide a status update on a project or situation. Examples: 1. Here's where we stand. We've completed half of the tasks. 2. Before we move forward, let me explain where we stand. Phrase 39, as of now, meaning this phrase introduces the most recent or current status of a project or event. Examples: 1. As of now, we are still waiting for approval. 2. As of now, the deadline remains unchanged. Phrase 40, we're making progress. Meaning, this phrase is used to indicate that work is moving forward even if it's not yet complete. Examples: 1. We're making progress, but there's still more to do. 2. It's taking time, but we're making progress. Dealing with issues. Phrase 41, let's tackle this issue. Meaning, this phrase is used when addressing a problem directly and working towards a solution. Examples: let's tackle this issue before it escalates. 2. We need to tackle this issue immediately. Phrase 42, we've hit a roadblock. Meaning, this phrase is used when encountering a difficulty or delay that prevents progress. Examples: 1. We've hit a roadblock with the supplier. 2. The project was going well, but we've hit a roadblock. Phrase 43, let's find a workaround. Meaning, this phrase is used when looking for an alternative solution to bypass a problem. Examples: 1. We can't fix the issue right away, so let's find a workaround. 2. If this method isn't working, we need to find a workaround. Phrase 44, this needs our immediate attention. Meaning, this phrase is used when a problem is urgent and requires action right away. Examples: 1. The system is down, this needs our immediate attention. 2. A major client is unhappy, this needs our immediate attention. Phrase 45, we need to troubleshoot the problem. Meaning, this phrase is used when analyzing a problem step by step to identify and fix the issue. Examples: 1. Before making assumptions, we need to troubleshoot the problem. Let's troubleshoot the issue and find out what went wrong. General professional. Phrase 46, at your earliest convenience. Meaning, this phrase is a polite way to request a prompt response or action without being too demanding. Examples: 1. Please reply at your earliest convenience. 2. Send the report at your earliest convenience. Phrase 47, as per our conversation, meaning this phrase is used to refer to a previous discussion, ensuring alignment and clarity. Examples: as per our conversation, here's the contract. As per our conversation yesterday, I'm sending updates. Phrase 48, I appreciate your time. Meaning, this phrase is a professional way to express gratitude for someone's time and attention. Examples: 1. I appreciate your time and effort on this project. Thanks for meeting with me. I really appreciate your time. Phrase 49, let's touch base soon. Meaning, this phrase is used to suggest a follow-up conversation or meeting in the near future. Examples: 1. Let's touch base soon to review progress. 2. We should touch base soon about the next steps. Phrase 50. Please let me know if you need anything else. Meaning, this phrase is used to offer assistance and encourage further communication. Examples: 1. I've attached the report. Please let me know if you need anything else. 2. I'm happy to help, so please let me know if you need anything else. Thank you for watching today's video on 50 essential business English phrases. If you found these phrases helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Phrases Hub for more practical language tips. Let us know in the comments below which phrase you found most useful or suggest topics you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay professional.